Now we're going to learn about the typical physical properties of gaseous state. Gases have similar physical properties. A few typical properties are discussed here. Diffusion, effusion, pressure, compressibility, mobility, and density of gases. First, we learn about diffusion and effusion. Diffusion is defined as the spontaneous mixing up of molecules by random motion and collisions to form a homogeneous mixture. Rate of diffusion depends upon the molecular mass of the gases. Lighter gases diffuse rapidly than heavier ones. For example, H2 diffuses faster than O2. Whereas effusion is the escaping of gas molecules through a tiny hole into a space with lesser pressure. For example, when a tire gets punctured, air effuses out. Effusion depends upon molecular masses. Lighter gases effuse faster than heavier gases.